Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and it is time to make crafting fun. And here you can see a little bit of what I do here. Now let's jump into today's project. Here we have this floor mat from IKEA. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use today our Cricut. You can use stencils or maybe you can use stickers. But I'm gonna be using my Cricut, and I made this beautiful stencil that says hello. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to just transfer it like this. And it was the easiest way, but this is the first time I make a stencil. So it was easier this way, but I tried it with a transfer tape. And let me tell you that you should never do that. This was the hardest thing ever to remove that transfer tape. And you will see some of that struggle here. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that stencil and I'm gonna place it over here in the corner of my floor mat. And then I'm gonna peel it off like that and struggle a lot, as you can see here. This was a project on its own. Now I'm gonna take some black paint, and I started with this sponge, but then I'm gonna change it to a sponge brush because it takes a lot more paint and it makes this painting a lot easier. And let me tell you, this works like a charm. Just try it out and you will love it. I'm gonna keep on painting those letters just like that until I have all of my hello covered on black paint. You can use any color that you like, but as I told you, this is just beautiful. Just find one of those cheap and awesome floor mats and personalize it by adding a little bit of oomph, as I say, with a stencil. Now, keep on painting until you have covered all of those letters, and you can make any word that you wanted. I just made the hello because I think that's awesome when you just come into your home, right? Let me know in the comments below what you think about the hello. But I'm gonna keep on painting like this until I have covered all of my letters, as you can see here. And don't worry because this stencil won't have any paint bleed. I was nervous at this time, but look at that. No paint bleeds. I'm so in love with this because I always get those. Now we're gonna remove those bits and pieces that we have in between our letters like this, and we will have the most beautiful hello sign. Then we're gonna take some parchment paper like this. We're gonna place it on top when it's dry, of course. And then we're gonna grab our iron and we're gonna iron all of that really nicely so the paint sets on our floor mat. And look at this, it's looking so beautiful. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this cutie because you know me, I'm in love with it. Now let's make a beautiful kitchen towel, and for that I'm using this from IKEA also, and some iron-on that you cannot see because I have to weed it out. Now I'm doing that so you can see the letters on it. And this is the fun. I love this part of making iron-on in the Cricut. And as you can see, this says Tissie's Kitchen. That's the name that my son gave to my mom. So I'm making a beautiful set of kitchen towels for my mother. Now I'm gonna take the kitchen towel and I'm gonna just iron that corner because I want them to look like they came like that. And then I'm gonna place my iron on and I'm gonna get my parchment paper, get a little bit of that, put it on top because I won't burn this one. And just put my iron on top of it for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. I'm gonna remove the plastic, and here you have all of them together. They are looking so beautiful that I need to make some for my kitchen. Let me know in the comments below what you think about them. If you like modern farmhouse decor and lots of silly jokes, subscribe because that's what I do here. And hit the thumbs up and share this video with a friend because that really helps to support my channel. Also, go and check me out on my social media so we can be friends over there and have lots and lots of fun together. For our next project, we're going to make a sign, and I'm taking this plank and painting it with white chalk paint really nicely. As you can see here, we're going to cover all of that top part of our wood plank. Those are from Walmart, but you can get wood anywhere. And then I'm going to use my Cricut to make a decal, but you can use stickers to make a beautiful decal for this, to make a beautiful sign. And you can add anything you want, but I just decided on this beautiful James 1:17 passage, so I can add it to that plank because I know my mom is gonna love this beautiful sign. Now I'm just making sure I get it on my transfer tape. And then when I do that, I have my decal that I'm gonna add on top of that like that. Then I'm gonna just press it really nicely so it gets stuck to that. And then I'm gonna remove my transfer tape really nicely and smoothly. And here you have the most beautiful sign ever. I'm in love with how this turned out. So simple, so easy, but so beautiful. Let me know what you think about it. Now, let's make another beautiful sign. And here you can see me doing what I love from the Cricut, just weeding out my decal. And as I told you before, you can use stickers to make this. But I just wanted to show you that you can use your Cricut as a beginner like me to make beautiful gifts or presents for everyone. These ones are for Mother's Day, that it's in 2 days from now. But you can make these ones just before, because I just made it in a couple of hours. So this is just perfect to make those last minute gifts. And now I'm just gonna continue weeding out this and having fun, because for me this is so relaxing. And as you see, I'm using my mat to weed because it just helps you. You don't need to use your hand to just hold it. And now I'm gonna take it off the mat, cut it, remove the excess vinyl like this. And then I'm gonna remove the other side, and I'm gonna take all of the side vinyl, as you can see here. I just wanted to show you that this is pretty easy and so relaxing that I'm just loving this part. After we finish with that, and now I'm struggling over here, we are gonna take our sign to make a beautiful sign. And this is the plank that I'll be using. I found it at Walmart. Let me just remove the tag really slowly. And then I'm gonna add my beautiful sign. It says the Ortiz family because that's my mom's last name. And let me just take it over here. And I'm struggling, as you can see. Yeah, beginner over here. And I'm just gonna continue until I have it on my transfer tape. Yes, I'm struggling a lot. But I wanted to show you that anyone can do this. Now I'm gonna just add it to my plank sign. And as you can see, I'm just pressing it really nicely. Then I'm gonna remove my transfer tape like this. And after that, we will have a beautiful, beautiful sign. All of these images, I got them from the sign bundles, and the fonts are from the font. So you can find all of them on the sign bundles and those fonts on the font, and you can make this beautiful sign and the other one. And here you have it, so you can see it. It's looking so beautiful, and I know my mom is gonna love it. And over here you can see all of them once more. Let me know in the comments below what you think about today's projects. I'm in love with all of them. I have to make some for myself. And just I'm in love. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Remember that if you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, and lots of silly jokes, that's what I do here, so subscribe and hit the thumbs up and share this video with a friend because that really helps to support my channel. It makes YouTube notice me. And remember that if you like this one, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.